Now we have to see the non-homogeneous equation. As I previously told about the homogeneous and non-homogeneous. If pi of x equal to 0, then the equation become homogeneous. Pi of x is not equal to 0, the equation become non-homogeneous. Now, but if the non-homogeneous equation will get, that time our general solution must be a y is equal to yc plus yp. This yp indicates particular integral. Means yc is a complementary function you have to find for both homogeneous non-homogeneous, and the particular integral you have to find only when a non-homogeneous equation will get. That time we have to write this y is equal to pi of x divided by f of d form to find a yp. To find the particular integral, the RHS divided by f of d term you have to write in the denominator. After writing this, you have 5 types of particular integrals. First one by one I will explain for you people. Type 1, that is pi of x must be a e to the power ax. Means the exponential term is there in a RHS of f of d term. This exponential term in the form of e to the power ax plus b or a raised to x. This a raised to x also we have to write e to the power log a into x, or the hyperbolic terms sin hx is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2. Cos hyperbolic term also you have to write in a exponential term. These we have to apply the type 1. The type 1 we have to apply if e to the power ax is there in a pi of x place, the f of d term, that may be a quadratic equation, that may be a cubic or biquadratic. That time the d term, the d may be d square, d cube, d fourth, whatever it may be, d you have to replace it as a, that is e to the power ax divided by f of a term. If this f of a become a 0, means if we substitute 1 in the place of d, d minus 1 is our f of d term, and 1 minus 1 become a 0. The denominator is become a 0. That time you have to multiply x e to the power ax and differentiate that d term. After simplifying this, you have to replace again d as a. Then it become e to the power ax divided by f dash of a. If again this f dash of a become a 0, the same procedure you have to continue. The multiply again 1x, already 1x is there, again you have to multiply another 1x e to the power ax, again you have to differentiate the denominator, till the constant terms will come in the denominator place. That time the process will continue. After getting this term become our yp. After getting the yp, the general solution become y is equal to yc you have to find, after you have to add with the yp. This is a first type of non-homogeneous equation. We have to see the examples on this. d square y by dx square plus 17 dy by dx plus 12 y is equal to e to the power minus x. Here, first you have to simplify to find the roots. Then write the yc, then find the yp. See, first you have to write in the form of d square plus 17d plus 12 into y is equal to e to the power minus x. Now, after this we have to simplify by taking the auxiliary equation, that is 6m square plus 17m plus 12 is equal to 0. By multiplying 6 into 12 we have to get 17, that is 9 into 8. 9m plus 8m plus 12 is equal to 0. Take a 3m common from this, m plus 3. Here we have to take a common of 4. 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. 3m plus 4, 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the roots become 3m plus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 4 by 3. 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 3 by 2. The quadratic equation is there. You got 2 roots. That you have to write. Yc is equal to c1 e to the power minus 4 by 3x plus c2 e to the power minus 3 by 2x. After finding the yc, you have to find a yp. To find a yp is equal to, the RHS you have to write the numerator, that is e to the power minus x you have to write in the numerator, and f of d term. This is our f of d term. That you have to write in the denominator, that is 6d square plus 17d plus 12. After writing this, you have to replace e to the power ax. What is a here? A is minus 1. That minus 1 you have to replace in the place of d. 6 minus 1 whole square plus 17 minus 1 plus 12 is equal to e to the power minus x. 6 minus 17 plus 12 is equal to e to the power minus x. 18 minus 17 is 1. This is our yp. Therefore, the general solution become y is equal to yc plus yp. Right here compulsory. What is a yc? c1 e to the power minus 4 by 3x plus c2 e to the power minus 3 by 2x plus yp is e to the power minus x. This is a general solution of the non-homogeneous equation. Now we have to take a one more example. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to cos h x by 2. Here hyperbolic term is there. When hyperbolic term is there, that I already told that you have to convert in terms of exponential. Before that we have to write in the form of f of d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to cos h into x by 2. Now take the auxiliary equation here. M square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 2m plus 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square form, m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Now this become m is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. Now finding the roots, we have to write the yc is equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power minus x. Now after finding the yc, write a yp. Yp is cos h x by 2 divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. Before applying exponential term, you have to write the formula for this. E to the power x by 2 plus e to the power minus x by 2 divided by 2 divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. The hyperbolic term you have to convert in terms of exponential compulsory. 1 by 2 you have to write outside and you have to make a separation of both the terms. D square plus 2d plus 1 plus e to the power minus x by 2 d square plus 2d plus 1. Now here what is a here? You have to write a is 1 by 2. The coefficient of x is a, and here d you have to replace it as a, that is minus 1 by 2. X coefficient is minus 1 by 2. That we have to write here. E to the power x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 plus e to the power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now you have to simplify this one. Is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. This get cancelled. 1 by 4 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus e to the power minus x by 2 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 plus 1 become this 2 to get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 become 0. Now this we have to simplify and write. By taking the LCM, this become 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and this 4 we can write in the numerator. 9 plus 4 e to the power minus x by 2. This is our YP. The general solution become y is equal to yc plus yp is equal to yc is c1 plus c2x e to the power minus x plus yp you have to write 1 by 2. If you want you can take a 4 common and it become a 2 e to the power x by 2 divided by 9 plus e to the power minus x by 2. This is a second example of non-homogeneous equations.